This review is of Whole Foods Market 365 dark chocolate baking chunks. It is parv, so in that respect, it's safe for Jews and Muslims. It's also 67% cacao, non-GMO, fair trade certified. Although it doesn't specify what and how much the certification is for. It's also sodium free, and it has a recipe for dark chocolate scones up here. Nutrition facts: 70 calories per tablespoon, 6 grams of fat, of which 3.5 are saturated fats. That's the stearic acid that's supposedly not bad for health, like other saturated fats. No cholesterol or sodium. 8 grams of carbs, of which 2 are dietary fiber, and 5 are sugars that are added, 1 gram of protein. And we have the ingredients. And they did use vanilla extract. Oh, it's 100% of the product is fair trade. There it is. Nice. Okay. Not a very many ingredients. And sugar is not the first thing on the list, which is a plus. Let's give it a taste. All right. Smells nice. Got really big chunks. Well, that's actually 2 chunks. There we go. It's fairly nice chocolate. It's got an enjoyable flavor. Although it is just, regular chocolate. It's not something with lots of nuances to it. That's a good taste. I'm gonna have to put it away because I like it. So I'll give this, I'll give it an 8. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.